I'm not sure if it's true or not, but it makes sense that if you have a cabin air filter, it will save your heater core. Your heater core, being hot and cold, can get condensation on it, get a little moist. As dust and debris are blowing through it, it can stick on there and build up and cause it to rot out faster. Plus, it's nice to have a cabin air filter when you have a stinky car in front of you. Your Ram 1500 might already have one. If not, it's pretty easy to install. You're only going to need the cap, which I got mine on Amazon, I want to say for $14. You're going to need a razor blade to cut it out, and the filter. Alright, the way this works is open up the glove box. There's a string right here on the side. You're just going to slide this way and then out. Then you're gonna squeeze this in. Squeeze that in. That comes out. This is what we're looking for right here. We gotta cut that out. Got a little tool I'm gonna try. Alright, so that's what we got. It was actually pretty thin. I was able to cut it out with the razor blade. These little tabs on the sides here, there's one there, one on the other side. That's what that little clip is gonna go on. I picked up a Wix filter. I got one pretty cheap on Amazon. This is part number 24579. Alright, so airflow is going down. Airflow going down. This is gonna go in there like that. Alright, that's gonna look like that. I'm gonna put a lid on there. Alright, and there's the lid snapped on there. Snapped on there on both sides. That's on there. It's not coming off. Alright, I'll put the glove box back on.